Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be making pakoras using spring onions and leeks. So that's leek and spring onion pakoras. Here I've got most of the ingredients. I've got here the leeks, spring onions, fresh coriander, fresh chilies, tomatoes, gram flour in this container, mixing bowl, and the spices. So the spices we have here is the chili flakes, coriander, chili powder, crushed coriander, and salt. We start cutting the leek first. Bismillah. That's the leek cut. Now we cut the spring onions. So that's all the leeks and spring onion chopped. I will now make the batter from the ground flour. Okay, so I'll make the butter. So we add the mix. Okay, that's done. So we make it small size so that it gets cooked thoroughly. If you make it too big, the chances are inside you won't get cooked properly. Yes, that's the pakoras coming out nicely. Okay, so that's done. Now take it out. Okay, so that's a bread pakora. So basically what you do, you cut the bread into fingers like so, and you dip it in the butter, and then you fry it.